Drones have become a popular gadget for tech enthusiasts and hobbyists. The Chubory A77 drone is one of the latest models catching attention. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Chubory A77 promises an exciting flying experience. This drone caters to both beginners and seasoned pilots, offering user-friendly controls and impressive flight stability. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial shots or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, the Chubory A77 aims to deliver. In this review, we'll dive into its key features, performance, and overall value. Let's see if the Chubory A77 lives up to the hype and meets your expectations. Chubory A77 Drone. The Chubory A77 drone impresses with its easy controls and stable flight. High-quality camera captures clear photos and videos, ideal for beginners and hobbyists. The Chubory A77 drone is making waves in the drone community. Its features and user-friendly design make it appealing to both beginners and enthusiasts. Let's dive into the specifics of this drone to see what sets it apart. Battery life. The battery life of the Chubory A77 is impressive. It ensures longer flight times without frequent recharges. Battery type, high-capacity lithium battery. Charging time, takes about 90 minutes to fully charge. Spare battery comes with an extra battery for extended use. Power indicators, LED lights show remaining battery life. Additional features, the drone includes several advanced features. These enhance the overall flying experience. Headless mode simplifies control orientation. Altitude hold keeps the drone steady at a set height. One key return easily returns the drone to its starting point. Follow me mode, drone follows the user automatically. Chubory A77 drone. Chubory A77 drone offers excellent value with its high-quality camera and easy-to-use controls. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, it provides stable flights and clear images. The durable design ensures long-lasting use. The Chubory A77 drone has quickly gained attention in the drone market. This drone offers impressive features, making it a favorite among hobbyists and beginners alike. Design and build quality. The Chubory A77 has a sleek design. It's compact and lightweight. This makes it easy to carry around. The build quality is robust. It can handle minor bumps and crashes, perfect for new users. Chubory A77 drone pros and cons. Pros, easy to control, beginner-friendly, stable flight, long battery life, extended flight times, durable design, withstands minor impacts. Cons, no specific cons mentioned in the provided text. Frequently asked questions. What are the key features of the Chubory A77 drone? The Chubory A77 drone has a 4K camera, foldable design, and dual GPS. It also has a long flight time. How long does the Chubory A77 drone battery last? The Chubory A77 drone battery lasts up to 20 minutes per charge. Extra batteries can extend flight time.